Today's video, I wanted to go over a slightly different approach to replacing a door skin on 66, 67 Chevelle, but this also applies to other years with similar door construction. So when you get a new door skin, it's going to come all the way to here and intersect the door frame at that point. And the real struggle of doing it is this piece right here is welded along here. It's very difficult to separate this from the door frame while it's together. Some people will cut it right across here. I like to drill through the outside into these two spot welds. Sometimes there's three separated there. But the real struggle is getting the distance and position correct all the way along, because you're dealing with a lot of variables. So in this door, unlike the driver's side of this car, there was no rot in here. So I took the door skin completely off, rebuilt this whole portion here, that whole corner. If you looked in my other videos, rust repair the easy way, that's what happened there. And then a 24-inch section from here to there. You can see the weld on the inside. Nice and blasted clean. There was a little bit of rot in this area that I was able to weld up and maintain this factory door corner. So going along this edge, I'll take a yardstick and I'll run it along and I'll see where the high spots and the low spots are, and I'll average it between that corner and this corner. The way that I get the cut line is by shaping a piece of metal like this, put it right on that top body line there, drill a hole, you can scribe your line, and you transfer that to your new door skin. Keep in mind, if you make the scribe lower or higher on the new door skin, you're gonna have an issue. So try to get a tool that fits the hole real nice, very steady hand, scribe the line, cut it, and then go along this edge with a file. Get it real nice. On the inside of the door, I did some undercoating, just like the factory did. Not quite as crazy of a finish. If you look at the factory door, I mean, they piled it on there. And you can see the reason for replacing this door skin. It's just rust everywhere that you can't get to. You know, that would have been living inside of a fully restored car. So in here, you know, there's a couple dents. Just not worth the effort to get the outcome that's desired. So getting these two edges as nice as you can is very important. One thing that will mess you up is that if you watch here, this has some movement, you know. So when you cut this line, it's going to relax a little bit. What's important is that this end is fixed and the other end is fixed. So getting it to line up here and at the other end, and then kind of roll this a little bit, because we know that this is going to end up pretty much level. When it gets pulled to the vent window frame, that'll kind of set your alignment. It wouldn't be a terrible idea to install the window frame and just kind of give it a position, but I just figure out where it wants to be and look down the edge of it. You know, you can put a yardstick on this too. See how the yardstick, see it picks up there. So we know that this portion here needs to move in a little bit. Here's the pile of misfit metal from the last 2 weeks of work on this car. Well, hopefully this video is helpful. This paint here, if you're wondering, is SEM Rust. Why can't I remember? Here it is. Rust Shield. Corrosion control. Goes directly over bare steel. You know, right after I blasted it. That's what I put over it. And it's super tough. This area here, I was actually just hammering and dollying this area here. Doesn't even hurt it. So this door will not rot again. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with other people that are into this adventure, because there's not a ton of information on, you know, doing door skin replacements. Have a good one.